Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for your like. Thanks for sharing. And join me as I unbox this kitchen zinc. It's a kitchen zinc, exclusive. It's massive. It's fucking beautiful. It's beautiful. So join me as I unbox it and fix it to its right position. Thank you. Small box, accessories. Gonna start with this. Take it. This is the magic waste. So we're starting with that. It's a beautiful kitchen zinc. You're gonna love it. Yes. By the time I'm done, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. So this is going dusted, and the soap dispenser, you press it like this, it's gonna pop out soap, liquid soap only, it's gonna pop out. So that is it. Thank you. Thanks for your support. Like and share, please. Thanks for your support. I really appreciate. Like and share. Subscribe, please. Thank you. One love. Peace out.